Okay, now if you want to use the automatically change the road bit knife, the first you need set the location at here. The first open. Okay. Okay, how to set? The first installation the block use this button. I teach you first on L, put and again lock. Okay. And now we'll set this location. The first there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I will set 1. Okay. And move. Control the machine move, use the keyboard. Move at here and now. There. Let the machine hand at here. Sorry. Down, up, left, right.能看到它在动吗？
能。
我刚刚动的布局比较小。
对，现在看得很明显。
因为我刚刚就是一步一步的。是。Okay, and now change here to the 0.1 and adjust here. Use your hand manually. That's your blood center at here. 在这中间对吧？
对。center 对的。
啊，这么表达应该可以了。
可以啊。
中式英语啊。
没 center 就比较中心的，没有问题。
At here and let the blood down. At here. 你拍一下屏幕。There's the blood at the center and this. Control the blood down. And adjust. Use your hand. Okay, 拍我这里好了。Fuck, 多了。And now use your hand. Sure the blood can 旋转怎么说来着
？Turn. Rotate 都可以。
Rotate. Sure the blood. You can use the hand. Make this returned 是吧？Return. Okay. It's okay. So down. 拍一下近景，就是大概录这么多。Make the blade down like this. This is okay. And now, here, set. You can say this value is change. This value is change. We'll set. Okay. It's okay. And another is same than this. It's same. Same. You just need change here. Now I say number 1, so change here. You want to say change. You want to say number 2, change here. It's same. Okay. Oh, and when done, remember so save. 好，然后here Okay, when you set this location, all is done. How to check? Now you can say number one, number two. But number one, number three, they have the blood. Number one, number three. But this set is manually, not automatically. It's set is manually like this. If you want to set the blood, just click, and now you can see the blood. And save. Okay, now this is have blood, but not. So you set it is manually in the software, and now I said it all is done. How to check? There, the first. You can see number 3 is 6 mm. And number 3, you can see 6 mm. This is your blood name. You can do it for yourself. And this number 3, this number is here at the number 3. And this number is 0. 0 mean is the blood at the rotor. At the rotor.
就是正在刀头上的。
So now how to check? When you set down, choose number 1 and switch to. Okay, it's done.